about 8:30. We're on our way to a Bonnie Lake car show. Let's go see what we can find.
Let's get it.
Wow, I can't believe all those kids on the corner. None of them are wearing masks. Oh, there's the R33. Surprised the cops haven't come here yet.
Pretty big.
Yeah. All right, I just want to stop for a few seconds here, and I want to touch base about protective masks with the COVID-19 outbreak. Wow, I couldn't believe all the different people that are out and about. I mean, there's that bar that we just drove right next to. There's like 60 people standing outside on the patio drinking shoulder to shoulder. It's only 3 weeks after the county's been put on phase 2, and now Governor Inslee's talking about reducing it because COVID-19 cases are spiking again now because there's so many people out drinking in the bars, which according to the CDC is one of the highest places for transmission. So I just want you guys to really be safe and just take a few minutes to just put a mask on. You never know how your immune system is going to respond. You don't know how, maybe you think you're young and you're healthy, but you could carry it and transmit it to somebody who's elderly or somebody who has a compromised immune system, and they can lose their life over it. It's very, very serious. And yeah, I just couldn't believe all the people not wearing a mask. It takes just a couple of seconds to put on a mask. You can make one, you can buy them, they're not expensive, or get a paper mask just when you go out in general public. I know it's something that's different and it's kind of uncomfortable to wear, but once you get used to it, I wear this thing all day at work for 12 hours a shift. I'll bring 3 to 4 of them to work and change them every couple hours so they don't get all moist and wet, but it's something that needs to be done, guys. So just keep yourself safe wherever you are and help keep everybody else safe. That's what wearing the mask is. It's to keep everyone safe, and we got to beat this virus together. That is the only person at this entire event that I saw wearing a mask.
It's getting real ghetto out here.
Doing burnouts in the parking lot, huh?
Hey, come on! Shoot burnout! I know
That felt good.
All right, let's check out what we can see here. You can see my boys are wearing a mask, plus I was wearing a mask as well. Safety first, as always. I always use protection. How are they even like, I'm surprised the police aren't here. There's a turbo Civic. Civic's got a front mount intercooler on it.
It's pretty dope.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice looking. That's what muscle cars like to do, is burnouts. Look nice. Look at that old GTO. Oh yeah. Big boy. That's kind of cool looking. Here comes the cop.
Oh shit, we got cops, go!
We are back home in the driveway. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can see my brake lights are on because my brake pressure sender switch or whatever on the brake pedal is broken. So I got a new one on order from Terra Firma. But I've got the battery disconnected, the alarm's on, and brake lights are off. The car is all buttoned up for the night. I'll have to continue disconnecting the battery for the next 5 days until I get my new relay pressure switch for the brake from TFA. Yeah, I wish I'd went to this car show earlier because it started at like 6 o'clock and it's about 9:30 now, and I took my wife out to dinner, and on the way home I saw all these classic cool muscle cars there, so I decided to pick up the boys and bring them up and check it out. But it was a little late, so we missed it, but still kind of fun. I saw an R33 GTR. Wish I would have got it on video, but I didn't. And I saw like a R35 GTR as well. But anyway, if you guys liked the video, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.